Can you see it? Look it, there's snow. Try to get it. See it somewhere. There you go. Woo! It's a blizzard in North Carolina. Look out now. Ah! Oh my goodness. I guess it's actually worse than Nebraska. I mean, Nebraska was bad, but I guess North Carolina, only half the people know how to drive in the snow. And everybody else is insanely frightened of it. So I finally got a job. I've worked 5 out of the last 6 days for some unknown reason. For a guy that's working part-time. And only 4 days a week. But obviously, you know who I'm working for then. If they give them an inch, they'll take that mile. So it's like a red pill. Like, check this out. So I haven't worked for this company. Well, I'd never worked for this company, but, or this franchise at least. But I haven't worked for the place I'm working at now for 14 years. And before that, I started in 1989. And last time I worked was 2008 for them. So I have, well, it's like a red pill, right? When you went to sleep, you were not in high-tech land. And just now I woke up, and I'm sitting up, and I'm in high-tech land. There's, like, they want your thumbprint to, like, log in, to access this, to access that. It's absolutely bizarre. And things are different. But the funny thing is that they all got the old school logos. So I thought I was going to wear some of my old school logo stuff. But they wouldn't even know it was old school. They'd just be all like, oh, did you get that from some other place? What is that? I wonder if that's a spray nozzle. Yeah, anyway. So I'm pretty happy. The pay raise over the other place too. Not much. But a little bit. But yeah, there's definitely plenty of changes that require, because I'm not stupid. You know, I didn't go around fixing stores for the area coach because I was stupid. But I am kind of ignorant about some of the new stuff. But I'm catching on to it. Got a lot of compliments today. So, I'm happier. Alright, cherish this new love. Oh, it's a blizzard. Look at it. Ah! Be well.